and welcome back to part 2 of my tutorial on creating this lovely bow bag. In my previous video, I guided you through the steps to make the bag up to this point. Now I'm going to focus on crocheting the tie, which will give our bag that finished look. Grab your yarn and crochet hook and let's start by crocheting a chain of 41 stitches. If you missed part 1 of this tutorial, don't worry, you can find the link placed in the upper right corner. Now let's continue with our first row. Yarn over and insert your hook into the second stitch of the chain. Right here. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. And now proceed by making a total of 40 double crochet stitches. On our second row, we will begin by making the crease. Yarn over and insert your hook into the front side of the next stitch, then into the back side of the following stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over once more and pull through, and one more time. Repeat this process 2 more times. Continue with 28 double crochet stitches. Now we'll do another decrease. Yarn over, insert your hook into the front side of the next stitch and into the back side of the following stitch. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through once more, and yarn over and pull through. Repeat this process 2 more times. Now chain 1 and turn your work. For the third row, start by decreasing 3 times, followed by 22 double crochet stitches and 3 more decreases at the end. And finally, for our last row, begin with 3 decreases, then crochet 16 double crochet stitches and finish with 3 more decreases. Now let's place the tie piece in the middle of our bag. And there you have it. This is how our finished bag looks with the tie piece in place.